Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this channel, I will tell you, and very important topic on best, how to create and how to best topic in the world. Open this article how to start business and how to best investment opportunities and how to make money from business in 2022. How to make money from business in 2022. Test website and give feedback. Do voiceover work. Complete online survey. Become a master shopper. Test game and apps. Sell stocks, photos and footage. Sell second-hand items. Sell school notes. 35 best ways to make money online in 2022. How can I make money in 2022? Summary: how to make money for free in 2022. Become a virtual assistant. Do research online. Transcribe audio and video files. Set up a batteries on a video website and apps. Get an affiliate program. A YouTube channel. Participate in focus groups. How to make money online for free. Which business is most profitable in figures? Audio repair, taking a car to the shop for events. Simple repairs can be a challenge. Food trucks. The food truck movement is stated to keep growing and growing. Car wash service next on our list of the most profitable business. Mobile car wash service. Electronic repair, IT repairs. The 23 most profitable business in 2022. Which business is best in 2022? What is the quickest business to make money? What should I do with 2020 cash? Where should invest my money in 22? Thanks for watching Tech Step.